Birds are a diverse group of animals known for their feathers, beaks, and ability to fly. They come in various sizes, colors, and habitats, ranging from tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles. Birds play essential roles in ecosystems, such as pollination, seed dispersal, and controlling insect populations. Birds possess several distinctive features that set them apart from other animals. Feathers. Birds have feathers covering their bodies, which provide insulation, enable flight, and display for mating purposes. Beaks. Unlike mammals, birds have beaks or bills instead of teeth. Beaks come in various shapes and sizes adapted for diff.